my door. Oh my god. Okay, I have to go help this guy. Aw, that's so sweet. And now they eat. Keep knocking at the door. Oh my god, so smart. Wow. Now they've eaten, and now they can go for a swim. Oh my god, I can't believe the mallard was knocking on my glass door for me to film. Oh, she's done. She's had enough. Oh, I see a chippy. Well, isn't that just something? Where are you going? Are you coming up to see me? What? Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is going on? Hi. Hi. Oh, little stumble. You're welcome.